Hi everyone. I never do these. I never do these unboxing videos, but I am very, very excited. I received a package here from Joma Sipe. I did. I can't believe it. I have not opened it, obviously, but I thought I would do it with you because I'm excited about this. And perhaps we can share the joy together. This is such a big deal. This is such a big deal. He's wrapped it so well. I may have to edit through some of this. I'm so excited. It just came. This is a really big, okay, I am gonna have to edit through this. So here we go. Just fast forward, here we go. Very excited. I can't believe this. I love his stuff so much. Okay, got my fingers in there. Come on. I can't believe this. So fun. What is it? Because his stuff is literally otherworldly. It is otherworldly and so beautiful. And many people have written after that interview we did with him about the way his art makes them feel. And it has an energy to it that is like, I don't know what to say. It has a vibration to it. So the fact that there's actually something he's created that we have here in our hands, it's a mystery. That's what makes it so, so mystical. I just want to see it. Come on. I apologize for this taking so long, but look at something. Look at that. I think he's actually wrapped it within the wrapping, but okay. Joma is a symbolist. He's a visionary, and the stuff that comes through him is like a human crop circle. They're really quite sacred. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. It's so gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look. Hang on. Oh, it's so lovely. Look at this beautiful ribbon. Look at it. It means so much. Oh my gosh. Hang on. Oh, it's lovely. Oh my God. He sent a pendant as well. Look at him. It's called Metatron. It's called Metatron. The supreme angel of God. Look at this, you guys, look. Oh my gosh. It is beautiful. I love it. I love it. Look at that. That is from, this is going right there. Oh, I love it. Look at the beautiful crystals. Thank you, Joma. I love it. I love it. JomaSipe.com. Check it out. This stuff literally comes through him. It comes through him. He creates this and he doesn't plan them out. He listens to beautiful music, sacred music, as he brings these symbols forth for all of us. I am so touched. I am so grateful. And this is such a wonderful surprise. Look at this. Look at this. He's also sent one of these beautiful pendants. I think it's the same thing, but the sacred geometry is just coming through a human being in a way that, we had him on the air just a week back. And it's on the Living Theosophy YouTube channel. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you, Joma Sipe. Thank you. Can you see that without the reflection of the monitor? Look at the detail of it. Isn't it beautiful? I love the color. I love it so much. It's my favorite thing ever. Look how beautiful. These are all available on JomaSipe.com. He is not paying me to mention that. I just know that if you are able to see these images, go to JomaSipe.com. You'll know what I'm talking about. They have an energy all their own. They're like meditation, physical meditation. Anyway, I just am so excited. I'm going to get this up as soon as possible. Joma, thank you. Thank you. Oh, they're beautiful. I might put this on right now. Put it on right now. Look how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. I'm so grateful. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you.